Hi, James again from KSTHL Labels. I have showed some special labels before we use like anti-counterfeit labels. So these days I received some message from customers. They are very interested about. They wanted to know how do they work about this counterfeiting. Yes. So today I have read 3 different colors, or the anti-counterfeit yarns. The yarns itself looks white, is no different with normal yarns, just the white. But when we use the under UV bound chicken lamp, it become all other colors. Let me show you. It's white paper and check the light. Okay, become to red. You can say this. Become to red now. And green. Come to green. Okay. You say this. It's green. So this blue. So blue is you can feel in much different, or the blue, right? This blue. So later I will make out the samples, use the counterfeiting yarns and show to you again. So when do you see the samples, so you will understand how the yarns work and the labels how to work and about our counterfeit. When do I finish the samples, I will show to you again. Thank you.